You know what? The BD members are having a really good month for results. And that's a very bold statement to make because we've been going for around 6 or 7 years. But I just feel that the quality of trades this month have just been phenomenal because we have a lot of successful BD members. You know, a lot of members post amazing results. But I just feel that the quality of trades this month have been phenomenal. Phenomenal. Finally got there. I'm currently in some sales on gold, which I'll explain to you very, very shortly. As you know, it's a kind of stacked a few trades, but there is logical thinking around it. But I feel the reason why the members are having really good month is because recently we've been talking a lot about price action. I've been focusing a lot around price action, and I've released a brand new price action training course because at the end of the day, we've all got to learn price action. Now, normally, you know, other trading companies would charge their members for additional videos or additional courses, but not us. We're all about making our members successful because at the end of the day, if our members are successful, then it builds the community. So basically, we have launched a brand new price action training. So every single week, we're going to be uploading a new episode, a new video. So as you can see here, so far we've got 2 videos, but this will be updated every single week. This is our members area, so you can see here all of the videos of the BD strategy on here. If you're trading the AND strategy, all the videos will be in here. If you trade the Mogwai strategy like me, all the videos will be in here. All of our weekly webinars, so every single week we have a webinar every single Sunday. This is like literally for life. So when you join us, we have a free webinar for life. So if you decide you want to still be with us in 20 years time, then come attend our webinar. But all of the webinars are stored here, so if you miss a webinar, they're all here. Market structure and trading with me and Mark. Oh, that'd be an interesting webinar. And yeah, our price action webinar in here. But if we just go over to the hold on here, we just go over to the Facebook VIP group. Look at, let me just make myself smaller, so oh, there we go here. Yeah, just the quality of trade. So this particular member is absolutely love trading Renko with US 30. This is indices. Now, I don't personally prefer Renko. I prefer candlesticks because I believe candlesticks tell us a bigger picture or a clearer picture. But yeah, I mean, this BD member is smashing it with Renko. As you can see, nice and simple, nice clean charts, which is exactly what I want to see. As you can see here, Andy's one of our price action traders. He trades smart money concepts. Really good trade from him. Again here. And so this is a trade that I took in the webinar yesterday, and not anyone in last night's webinar would be swimming nicely into profit now. Another reason why you should attend our training and weekly webinars. Nice little sell, just basically using pure price action. I'll read this one to you. I came a very long way, but at least I can see my path clearly. Mogwai, MACD crossover, trendline broken, RSI, nice little sell. Again, nice little before and after with Renko and US 30. And again here, good morning guys, nothing changes, same setup, Mogwai, 15-minute time frame, at support and resistance, stop loss above the high, TP somewhere at last support. And this is what I like, quality of trades. You know, it's not just about taking a trade because a Mogwai has appears. It's about using the bigger picture, you know, price action, support and resistance. This particular member has an area of resistance. He's waiting for a break of trend line, wait for the MACD to turn red, and he enters a sell. That's exactly what I'm looking for. And as you can see here, I've stacked a few sells on gold, okay? This is my first trading session basically for about 6 days. This is my profit so far for this month since starting this small account. Well, I pretty much doubled the account because I started off with £1,000. I'm now at 2,600. Now there is logical reason why I stack these trades. I do have a stop loss, so don't be alarmed. And I've got to take profit of around 500 to 1,000 pips on these. Now the reason why I took these trades is, again, right, this is I forgot what I was saying. This is a quality trade. So obviously we've got 2 back-to-back setups here. Okay, both of them MACD gone overbought. By the way, this is. Let me just start again. Okay, these 2 trades here that are currently in drawdown are these two cells here. Okay, MACD's gone oversold and crossed over. Now normally I'd close this off in profit. They went to around 250 pips and then reversed on me. I'm not particularly bothered, to be honest with you. And then I re-entered again on this Mogwai signal here. Now I haven't just entered because we've got a double Mogwai signal. I've entered because of rational thinking. If we look at the 1 hour now, so this is the 1 hour time frame. By the way, this is the 1 minute time frame on gold. Okay, the 1 minute time frame on gold. If we look at the 1 hour, you can see that we're at this nice area of resistance. So if we look at the 1 hour, we're in a downtrend. Okay, let me just get rid of all them blue boxes. So keep it simple, right? Let's look at the bigger picture. So trend down, pull back, trend down, pull back, trend down, pull back, trend down, pullback. Okay, simple trend down pullbacks, lower highs, lower lows, all the way down. It's a downtrend. Okay, and we came straight up to this area of resistance. Okay, this is a quality trade. I haven't just took a trade because a Mogwai has appeared. I've broken down, I've looked at the higher time frame, I've done a top down analysis, and I've decided that okay, on the 1 hour time frame, we're going with the trend. We're creating lower lows and lower highs. We're currently at the 1 hour resistance. Okay, we go down to the 1 minute time frame now, and we're getting multiple Mogwai signals at this level here. Both MACDs have crossed over, that one there and that one there. Now normally I would have closed this off in profit, walked away, hey ho, made some profit. Again, this one I would currently be well, I am in profit on this one already. Okay, and that's that one there. I'm currently in profit overall, £80. But I'm actually holding these for long term because I'm looking at the 1 hour time frame now. Even if we look at the 5 or 15 minute time frame now, even looking at the 15 minutes, you can see this area of resistance. So I'm looking for a move down of around 500 pips with these trades. Okay, this is a really good quality trade with the trend, and this is what a lot of BD members are doing recently. They're taking trades and then explaining the reasons why they're taking it. And this is where I want to take my training. This is where I want to teach people, right? The binary destroyer is a really good trading indicator. It's a really good strategy. But it's not just, oh, let's just take arrows. It's about understanding why those arrows appears. So hopefully, as you can see here, price is pushing down. If we just have a quick look at the 15 minute, on the 5 minute time frame, you can see that we're slowly starting to drop down from this level. I should say that on the 5 minute time frame, that our target is the bottom of this level here. So see this nice area of support? See that? Okay, this is my target area on this one. So we should see around 500 pip move to the downside, okay, before we look to go up. Currently, we're kind of fluctuating sideways again, but we should come down again. I just want to mark up that area just there. I want to see what this area is. I think that, where did we take the trade? Someone here. So again, that's around a 300 pip move down there. And we're currently, okay, so we are slowly going into profit around 102, 145. Okay, what I will actually do, okay, is, again, hang on here. This one's going to around 200 pips. There's a big difference now between taking a trade and managing trades. Okay, a lot of traders focus on taking a trade and just setting a fixed stop loss and fixed take profit and just assume that they're going to be consistent traders. Unfortunately, trading doesn't work like that. It's also about managing a trade. Your strategy has given us a setup. The Mogwai has given me a setup and it said, Jamie, take a trade. What I do next is completely different. It's about managing the trade, okay? Where's my target? Where's my stop loss? As you can see here, I've stacked 4 trades on the table here. But what I will actually do is I'll actually close off one of these trades now, because what I'm doing is I'm reducing the risk. I've closed a trade off in profit now. So I've already profited from this setup. Now these trades might reverse, okay, and stop me out, okay? But that one trade that I closed off in profit now won't happen. I've closed it off in profit. And as you can see here, we're slowly starting to drop down now, okay? And it's all about managing the trades, getting the most amount of pips and profit from this setup. So what I'll probably do, everyone, is I'll probably pause the video and I'll come back in around 10 or 15 minutes time and I'll update you on this setup. So quick update on those trades. I actually went down and had my dinner. And I've come back and I actually moved my stop loss to around 300 pips with these trades. This one is still running. In fact, I'm going to hold this trade here. I'm not going to. I've actually set this at 100 pips, but I might actually. No, you know what? I'm going to set it to 300 pips, and stop loss I'm going to set at minus 100 pips. Okay. There. Hold on. Okay, so I'm just going to sit and watch it now as it starts to come down. In fact, what I'll do is I'll pop that over there. There we go. Done. Right, okay. So yeah, sorry about that. I've got a mouthful of food. Update on those trades. So banked around £386. If we actually look at the setup now, really good trade. Both of these trades, and what's interesting is both of these trades came down, hit the zone, bounced off it, came down, hit the zone and bounced off it. So obviously if I wasn't going for such a large take profit, wouldn't have had any dramas with the trades. Really good trades. Obviously, but I'm holding these for a bigger reason, which let me have a quick look at the 1 hour. Let me see what the 1 hour is saying. Okay, so 1 minute, obviously I know about them 1 minutes. Let me have a look at the 1 hour. Bring up some naked charts. Okay, so there we go there. So on the 5 minutes, we pulled down. The 1 hour is telling me exactly the same, but this is my target area off the 5 minutes. So what I might actually do is this trade that I'm in now is I'm just going to hold it. I'm going to hold it throughout the night. I've got 100 pip stop loss. I probably might monitor it as well. I might move that and see if I can get 1,000 pips out of that trade. But anyway, a nice little back-to-back setup on gold. And that completes my trading session for a Monday. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions, drop me an email, thebinarydestroyer@gmail.com.